FabSquare is a personal fabrication method inspired by injection molding that allows users to quickly mold parts by using 3D printed molds and UV curable materials. The 4 steps of the FabSquare fabrication process: mold design, mold 3D printing, mold filling, and material curing will be presented. The first step is to design a mold for a desired geometry. We have implemented a custom UI that enables users to automatically design molds for a geometry. An STL file is imported, oriented, and the application automatically generates the mold geometry. It considers basic aspects necessary for 3D printing, such as water tightness, minimum wall thickness, and orientation. The corresponding mold halves are then exported in STL format for 3D printing. The second step is to 3D print the mold halves generated by the mold design UI. We use an inkjet-based 3D printer with UV transparent resin. Any resin 3D printer could be used for this step. The third step consists of assembling the mold halves and filling the mold with the desired UV curable resin. In this example, we use a rigid material with magenta pigment. The last step consists of curing the mold contents using a UV light source and separating the molded object. In this example, we use a high-intensity UV light to cure the resin. Alternatively, a low-cost UV light source, such as nail salon lights, could be used. Next, we disassemble the mold and release the object. Ultimately, we obtain a rigid object with functional mechanical properties. The mold can then be reused to mold additional objects with the same or different resin. Next, we show a variety of objects fabricated using the FabSquare method. Note the wide range of colors, material additives, functional properties, and multi-material capabilities of the process.